Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to change the language on Samsung Galaxy A27. In order to change the language, you need to go to the settings. Then scroll down until you find General Management. Now you'll find Language and you'll need to click on Add Language. Then you can find different ones available here, and once you select any of these, you can select the type as well if that language is used in different dialects or variations. I'll select the Portuguese from Portugal, and then you can either keep the current one or set as default. That's what we're gonna do in order to put the language at the very top. You can later change the order of languages by pressing and holding on any of these, then holding this button on the side and dragging it up. Then once you go back, the first language on the list will be set as the main language. If some apps don't support the first language on the list, then they will try using the second one, and so on until they get to the bottom of the list. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.